Hanchen Metal, headquartered in Shandong, China, is a professional manufacturer of color-coated aluminum coils, operating a modern production facility with a total area exceeding 30,000 square meters. Our factory is equipped with fully automated coil coating lines, advanced machinery, and precision-controlled systems designed for high capacity. Our long-term partnership with AkzoNobel ensures that our coils deliver outstanding weather resistance, strong adhesion, and excellent performance. The production environment is clean, organized, and operated under strict safety and quality protocols, reflecting our commitment to international standards. Backed by a skilled workforce and years of industry experience, Hanchen Metal continues to raise the bar in aluminum coil manufacturing. Every step of our production is carefully controlled to deliver consistent results, ensuring clean and environmentally responsible operations. Our production line integrates coil coating technology with precision automation to ensure consistent color, surface smoothness, and coating adhesion. The line is also equipped with an RTO waste gas incineration and wastewater treatment systems. To ensure that our colored aluminum coils reach our customers in perfect condition, each coil is tightly wrapped with moisture-resistant craft paper or waterproof plastic film to prevent corrosion during shipping and reinforced when loading containers. We understand that timely delivery is critical to your production schedule. That's why we've built a highly efficient supply chain and production system to ensure that our colored aluminum coils are delivered on time, every time. We can meet diverse design and project needs by offering a complete spectrum of colors and finishes. Whether you need standard RAL colors or custom textures, we can deliver with precision and consistency. At Hanchen Metal, we provide more than just materials. Our services include on-site installation guidance, detailed design proposals, and real-time communication through technical meetings to support project execution. Major construction projects worldwide including airport terminals, railway stations, and large public venues. Together with our global clients and new partners around the world,